Today's story is about the helper engine. The story is about my friend who rode on an express train that went from San Francisco to Los Angeles in California. Who has been to California? Wow, so good to hear you have been there. I was there when I was in my mommy's belly. My friend enjoyed the train ride. The view outside was beautiful to watch. Who has been on a train ride and did you enjoy?
Not me. I haven't been on a train ride yet,
I have been on a train in Washington, D.C. and it is so much fun. I also went on a train in Tennessee. The train went on the side of the hill, up and up. I was little then. Suddenly she heard a voice on the intercom, and a lady's voice said, "Our train will soon be climbing at the rate of 110 feet every mile. And since one engine cannot pull the whole train up, we are stopping here to take on a helper engine." Once the train stopped, she felt a gentle bump as the helper engine hooked on her train. The ride was so smooth with the helper train. The train went round and round the mountain until it reached the top. She looked quickly out of her window and she could see both the engine in the front and the helper engine on the back. It was so cool. This is how our life is too. We have Daddy helper engine. We all have our daddies who help the long train of our family. He has to earn money and take care of our bills and keep our home together. Then we have Mommy helper engine. Mommies help cook and clean and takes care of us when we are sick. Some days she is sick and she is still cleaning and cooking. We also have little engine friends who can be such wonderful helper engines in our life. Can we all be helper engines to our mommies and daddies too?
Yes.
We can hug when they are sad and help them when they ask us to help with dishes or clean our rooms. When Jesus was on this earth and he was going to heaven, he sent us all a very special helper. Do you know who that is?
God.
Holy Spirit.
Yes, Holy Spirit. In John 14:26, it says, "The Helper, the Holy Spirit, whom the Father will send in my name, he will teach you all things and bring to your remembrance all that I have said to you." Holy Spirit is our special friend who guides us as we grow and become little helpers for Jesus. We are called to be witness for Jesus. When we are kind, loving, caring, giving, we share Jesus' love to others. Let us all become helpers for Jesus. Now you may go back to your seat.